Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here.
Babe, malaking part ka ng past ko. Hindi ko ma-imagine yung future ko nang wala ka.
If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. 'Cause I will be here.
Ililipat ko na lang yung singsing pag nag-manicure na ako.
I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning, losing and trying. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here.
Pupunta tayo sa Iceland!
Oh my God! Yes!
Welcome to my country.
Bayan!
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. Sure, seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here.
I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you want to me. I will be here. I will be true
To the promise I have made
to you and to the one who gave you to me.
Parang ibang dyan yung kasama ko eh.
Bakit?
Anong point kung hindi tayo magkasama?
Bakit kailangan ba lagi tayo magkadikit?
Sure, seasons are made for change. Our lifetimes are made for ease. So I will be here. We'll be together.
'Cause I will be here.
Para kang sunset.
Kasi maganda ako.
Hindi, kasi palubog ka na.